Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to block or unblock a contact on Signal application using your mobile device. Whether you're an Android or iPhone, I've got you covered. First of all, open up the Signal app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the chat screen, go to one of the chats of the person you want to block. And then once you open up the conversation page, tap on their profile picture at the top left. This will now take you to this info section where you need to tap on Block User. Confirm that you'd like to block this user by tapping on Block, and the blocked user will not be able to call you or send you messages once you proceed to block them. Once you do that, the user has now been blocked. They won't be able to message or call you anymore on Signal. Now, if you ever want to unblock a contact, then here's how you do it. Go to the home page of Signal and then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy. Under Privacy, select Blocked. Now under Blocked Users list, you'll be able to see a list of people that you've blocked. Tap on the contact you want to unblock and select Unblock in the pop-up at the bottom. And there you have successfully unblocked a contact on Signal. And that's it. Simple and secure. Whether you're setting boundaries or reconnecting, now you know how to manage your Signal contacts like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.